And now let's look how Marts and Dana will show us Viennese Waltz Open choreography with teaching counts in beats and bars. And 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. Very good, and now let's look at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and we start with 4 natural turns. We continue in a corner with natural Fleckerl 4 bars. Notice Fleckerl is danced on one level without rise and fall. Then we continue again with 4 natural turns. In the corner we dance continuous spin with hover telemark ending, and we dance feather step, continued with 2 reverse turns, and then 1 slow reverse turn. Then we dance heel pull into 3-step ending and dance natural turn 2 bars, continue with continuous spin to hover telemark ending in a corner, and then natural turn 2 bars, and again continuous spin to hover telemark ending, and again 2 bars of natural turn. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.